Eka is a structured ecosystem which we will be talking about later. Let's start with the market structure of wellness industry globally in UAE, in Dubai and Middle East. Okay. Before we get into any industry, we should be knowing what is the worth of that industry, right? Then only we should know that how much we can get out of that. So if we go back 10 years back in wellness industry, it was 3.4 trillion market it is. Means through wellness itself, globally 3.4 trillion business came 10 years back and it grew 8 to 9% after 10 years. And if you see the projection, there is 9 trillion money out there in 2028. And out of global, if we just talk about Dubai, there is 10 to 11 billion projection is there. So Dubai is going to be a wellness hub. There's lot of abundance out there, lot of money out there, but still we struggle to get that money. We can see there are a lot of yoga teachers are there, but there is never a saturation. Even if there are 1 lakh of yoga teachers, good yoga teachers out there, we still can, if each one of us can earn lot of money, because 10 to 11 billion is a lot, right? So there is a gap. The wellness industry is booming, yoga is growing fast, yet many of us are struggling, not in the teaching but in terms of getting the money, marketing, finance, career growth, right? This gap is actually there, which we all need to work on and fill it, right? Now let's do one thing. I would want you to get a pen and paper or just use your mobile, open the notes and score yourself. There will be an assessment based on your expertise, your journey, your vision. Just rate yourself 1 to 5 on each statement you will be shown. If the statement is 100% true to yourself, rate yourself 5. If it is not true, rate yourself 1 or 2. Based on your utmost honesty, you rate yourself. Yeah? Everyone is ready? Ready? Okay, let's do it. All right, so level of expertise. Do I feel confident enough in teaching yoga? Very confident, 5. Low confidence, 1 or 2. So quickly. Second, I create an impact through my yoga teaching. You feel that leaving an impact in the society by my teaching. I adapt yoga practices for diverse needs, limitations, and wellness goals. I design engaging and effective yoga sessions for all levels, or at least for beginner or intermediate also. You can rate yourself 4, 5 if you're confident enough. I feel passionate, growing, learning, and evolving as teacher. I deserve more recognition, rewards, and growth for the work I do. I believe there's a bigger version of me that's still unfolding. We all have a bigger version, so what you feel, you rate yourself. I love discovering new styles, tools, wellness approaches, mentorship, guidance to deepen my offerings. So this is the first segment of the assessment, right? Level of expertise. Now we'll go to the next level, next segment, which is the journey so far. So rate yourself. You can just put a line and then next segment is I'm satisfied with my current yoga teaching journey. If you're really see, here you have to be really honest in terms of how much money you're making, how much you feel that you're worth, you are getting your worth. So to be really honest, you score yourself. I'm aligned with my expectations versus reality in yoga teaching. And you don't have to share this numbers after this assessment. This is only for yourself. Okay. So I invest enough in my personal growth as a yoga teacher. You keep upgrading yourself, you keep putting money on more learning, more classes or something like that, or different faculties. I'm getting enough chances to showcase my full potential creativity. I find it easy to get consistent opportunities for stable income. I always have more support to grow my brand or offering. I know how to position my services in a premium segment. Like you don't have to give a lot of discounts, and whatever price you're putting in, the clients are ready to give you. You don't see that there is a real good competition, and whatever money you ask, the client is ready to pay. So score according to that. Now the third segment. Let's go to the third segment. You're done, right? You're done with this one?
What was on the first one? The first segment and third question?
Sorry. First segment, third question.
The third, yeah.
I adapt yoga practices for diverse needs, limitations, and wellness goals.
Okay, done.
Okay. Second one is also done, second segment. Okay, all right, next. Last segment, what is your vision towards this Dubai market in wellness? I see abundant, untapped opportunities for yoga teachers in Dubai and the Middle East. The rapidly growing wellness industry will open more doors for professionals like me. Collaborations, networks, and communities will strongly support my career growth. Government initiatives and cultural openness will enhance opportunities for yoga teachers. I feel motivated to expand my impact in the regional wellness ecosystem. I want to contribute to the UAE's mission to promote health and wellness. I wish to feature myself in various wellness magazines, panels, brand campaigns, etc. All done? Okay, perfect. Now let's discuss the result, okay? So keep it with yourself. Let's analyze what our scores shows. If you scored in first section 8 to 24, you really need to build more confidence and practice in your teachings. And if you scored 25 to 40, you really deserve best, right? You have the expertise, but you need to explore more opportunities. You need to have more opportunities to show your potential. Now, the second segment was between 7 to 21. If you are at, you definitely need support. If it is 22 to 35, you can be a great support to others. Correct. Then towards the vision, if you scored 7 to 21, you need to try cultivating the growth mindset. But if your score is between 22 to 35, you have a yogapreneur mindset or growth mindset, right? All satisfied with your answers? Okay, let's go to the next one. All right. Okay, so now let's discuss what is EKA. Let's discuss what is not EKA. EKA is not a studio, not a yoga studio, not an agency, or not those apps where you get direct lines and you get the classes done. It is not that conventional thing. It is rather a bigger ecosystem designed by teachers and for teachers. Means the teachers will only cultivate this ecosystem, grow it, and it will help them only, means us only, in terms of growth, in terms of learning, in terms of getting money. And it will also help in giving us more exposure, visibility out there. It will help in growing ourselves in terms of upgrading ourselves. It will also give resources to study. It will build a network, a community, so that you can share your knowledge to others. It will also, the back end of EKA will help in making this ecosystem very safe and secured, so that you can cultivate your knowledge or potential through it, right? The whole idea of EKA is to build something which you feel proud of when you are associated with it. It is not any brand, it is not like Prayog Wellness. So it is not that where you are working for something. This is your own home kind of a thing, right? Okay. Now, okay, this is conventional platform. Now I want from you to know what conventional platform you already know where we as yoga teachers earn money. Anamika, just say any one platform where you can earn money right now.
I didn't get exactly what you
Where,
mean.
how you are earning money? Give me one option.
Through normal, through private sessions.
Private session, okay, done. Sunidhi?
Private sessions like online and
Correct, online. Third, Shine, what about you?
Private session.
Private sessions. This is the main platform. All of you said private session. Vasanti?
Yeah, it's online private sessions.
Online or offline, yeah?
Okay.
Deepika?
online and offline home classes.
Nadira, you have something else to say?
We earn from Instagram
Hmm.
as well as personal online classes, even corporate classes.
Yeah.
So it's like on and off, on and off.
Okay, chalo, let's go to the next one where exactly where we are right now as a yoga teacher, earn money through personal sessions, you said, private clients, through yoga studios, through hotels and resorts, through corporate wellness sessions, event-based opportunities, right? All these are the usual conventional platforms we earn money from. But how EKA can bring a non-conventional way of earning money? So let's talk about that. So this is a sneak peek to the future of EKA. So here, this is the main slide where actually we are all here to understand how it can be beneficial for us to grow further in a different way. So it can help integrating wellness with diverse entities like, corporate is already there, then schools, then communities, tourism, hospitality, leisure activities. So EKA will actually go out there and create marketing space to integrate these collective services to them. Right? Second could be co-branding experience like influencer marketing, affiliation marketing. There we can collaborate with other brands and work with them. Building brand value partnership that enhances visibility. So brand value partnership means, again, collaborating with different entities and giving our services as value-added services to their brands. Then optimizing the wellness market. It is similar to integrating wellness to these platforms, but optimizing means making a system, strategizing it for more sustainability in these entities like communities, tourism, hospitality industries, right? Then developing personal media platform, PMP, which is called. So it will help eventually creating our own identity through social media platforms, content creation, resharing your post and giving you ideas of how to get the best algorithm. All these structured SOPs you will get. Designing innovative retreats. not the conventional retreats. We will create the innovative retreats for us to get more opportunities. Launching residential wellnesses programs, like if you have seen our social media pages, Deepika and I have done a wellness circuit with DMAC properties. So these kind of opportunities we are creating with other developers and other builders and other more residential properties. Expanding into yoga wellness tourism through global travel and cultural experiences. So it will be collaborated with tourism companies. Exposure to yoga summits, like we as yoga members or as yoga entity, we can create yoga summits, we can create this marathons, competitions, bigger events for all the freshers and all the existing yoga teachers for more exposures and motivation. So basically it is going to be a great game changing platform for all of us to show our maximum potential, right? So Eka, there are 5 Eka verticals. Yeah, Eka Connect, which will help in micro gatherings, the meetups, sharing knowledge, meetups for different topics, like sometimes marketing, business development, all these topics where we are not taught in our yoga schools or yoga certification courses. So that will be there in this Eka Lab, where you will actually use your maximum potential of your creativity, like content creation, your thoughts, your bloggings. You can add those in Eka Lab. Eka Library is all about the study material to study, to upgrade yourself. Eka subscriptions will be annual models where you will get upgraded versions of different upcoming topics regarding wellness. Then Eka points. Now this is interesting. You will also get to know what are the activities you will be doing to earn these Eka points. Eka points is something you reward for your activities, for your contribution. So in the next in-person meetup, we will give you a detailed version. What are the activities and contribution, and what are the collective points you will get, and what you will do with the points. The points can be converted into money also. You can redeem these points in different entities. Like for example, we will be collaborating with like a cafe or restaurants, and you can use these Eka points in those restaurants. So these kind of things. You can also increase the credibility of you as a yoga teacher through these Eka points also. In future, imagine if somebody is asking you, oh, you are through Eka, right? How many points you have? So that will create the credibility of you as a teacher. Like DHA professionals, health professionals, we have DHA license, and we have to collect CPD points that we can keep working. And these CPD points is just to upgrade the knowledge, but these Eka points will actually be redeemable. It will be converted also, and you will feel rewarded. Okay? So this will look like this. See, this is the CRM dashboard. Each one of the yoga teacher will get their own profile where you can use the Eka Lab, you can use the subscription, you can use the study material. You can also, when you will use the activities and submit those activities here, you will collect the points. Now these are the active support system we have already got. We have got the support from UAE Sports Council, Ministry of Sports, UAE Yoga Committee. Then we are actively partners with Emaar, Azizi, DMAC, Swiss Hotel, Address Hotel, and Prayog Enlis is there for all this back-end services. So if you wanted to know, so these two are the collaborating team which is working on the back end to create the opportunities. But always remember, this is not about Prayog or LYS. This is going to be a collective work through all the yoga teachers in future. So in future, you will become the leaders to grow this Eka, to grow yourself. Okay? Right now, it's just the background is being created. The optimization, the running of it will be through all of us. Okay, then the next one is what's next. Now, what you should expect. So each of you here today is a founding part of Eka. You will begin receiving structured updates, opportunities and invites, right? Then follow this Eka Instagram and stay connected. And also forward now, from now on, you can also do one thing, that whenever you're posting your content, you can tag Eka. We will be creating hashtags and all this, so that Eka can also get the followers, new followers, and you will also get the visibility of your content. So Eka will, when I say we will, it is Eka. See, Eka will reshare all your content. As of now, there will be more exposure also in future. So it is in the process. Then share your doubts and feedbacks. Now after this, I will be sending a Google form, very small Google form, just your doubts and your feedback you can write down, so that your privacy is maintained. You don't have to ask in the group. You can just write down in the form, and then I will personally reply to those doubts. To save the time here, you can write your doubts, and your feedback, inputs, your ideas are always welcome. Then membership terms and process will be explained in our first in-person meeting, which will be hopefully in September end. So there you will get to know the membership terms and conditions, the annual membership, everything, the regular meetups, monthly meetups, all these things will be there. Okay, and rest you can again read the website. And we will be launching it in October. The membership will start from October 1st itself. So in-person meeting, you will have more better picture, better clarity about the opportunities. Right now, this is just a gist of it. In the in-person one, you will be given all the activities where you can collect the points. You will be given your CRM profile, which you can sign up and you can start creating your, you can put your creativity there. You can start earning ECA points. So everything will be started from October. Correct? So this is about it. Stay in touch. Okay. Yeah, finished on time. You can still unmute yourself and say something if you have something, but your doubts you can write down in the Google form also, which I will be sharing. But anything else you want to say? Unmute, Anamika was saying something. Nothing?
No, nothing.
Does it sound exciting or usual? Just
Yeah, it is exciting. Yes,
it is.
Yeah.
When actually that yoga day happened, right? That
Mm.
time we actually thought of, you guys only said that it was a nice initiative and we should have more these kind of network more often. So that time we thought ki why not. First we thought that let's do the soul rise thing, let's extend the soul rise. Discussed with LYS team also, so finalize this word, and it also represents the unity, right? Eka, ek. So it is not any one's brand, it is a ecosystem of all the yoga teachers globally, not even UAEs. So it is for India yoga teachers or wherever, anywhere from any country. But in-person session anyways will be done for UAE residentials only. But the whole projection is to grow it globally. Yeah, so that even see, when expats come as a yoga teacher, they find it very difficult to how to start with. We don't have any platform, someone to guide us how to start with. What is the, like I get many calls from India, the yoga teachers calls, what is the per session price, how do you get the clients, and all these questions. There's so many things. So it is going to be a very helpful platform. And but of course it's not possible with 1 or 2 person. It has to be a team effort. So yeah, I am sure that this is just a gist to create more enthusiasm. The in-person meeting will probably give you more idea and more motivation to be a part of. So let's wait for this Google form. I will be sending in the WhatsApp group, and I will share the response to you personally. And thank you so much for the participation. Thank you so much for attending this
Thank you very
virtually.
much.
Thank you. Take care. Bye bye all.
Bye.
Bye bye.